Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, the biggest, baddest iPhone of 2025. We are going for the full review, and wow, Apple went bold this year. We're talking a complete switch back to aluminum after years of titanium hype. Faster charging, upgraded cameras, and the new iOS 26 liquid glass vibe. Is this the best iPhone ever, or did Apple take a step back? Stick around, because we're breaking down everything from design to cameras to battery life. If you're thinking about upgrading, hit that like button now and let's get into it. First up, design. Apple shocked everyone by ditching titanium and going back to an aluminum unibody frame and aluminum back. Yes, aluminum. The goal? Lighter feel, way better heat dissipation. Dimensions are almost identical to last year, but it weighs 233 grams, actually 5 grams heavier thanks to the bigger battery and new cameras. It still has ceramic shield too on front and back, glass back in some versions. IP68 up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. New cosmic orange looks stunning. That anodized aluminum finish pops. Feels premium in hand, nice balance, but after Apple hyped titanium for years, some fans are calling this a downgrade. GSMA Arena says it shakes up the iterative updates big time. The dynamic island is still here, no size reduction sadly. What do you think? Aluminum win or nostalgia trap? Drop it in the comments. The screen is a 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED. Basically the same panel tech as last year, but now all iPhones get ProMotion 120Hz after they killed the Plus model. Resolution 1320 by 2868, 460 ppi. Brightness hits 1000 nits typical, 1600 nits HBM, and peaks at 3000 nits. HDR10, Dolby Vision, anti-reflective coating. It's gorgeous outdoors and buttery smooth. We calls it large, vibrant, and class-leading for video. No revolutionary changes, but it's still one of the best displays you can buy. Under the hood, Apple's A19 Pro on 3 nanometers, hexa-core CPU with faster clocks, 6-core GPU. Starts with 12 gigabytes RAM, big jump from 8 gigabytes on older Pros, and base storage is now 256 gigabytes. Finally! Pro Max even gets a 2 terabyte option. Connectivity, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, upgraded UWB. Users highlight improved performance and better thermal management thanks to the aluminum and new heat films. No throttling issues reported in heavy use. Pure power. This thing flies. Now the cameras. Big upgrades here. Rear triple 48 megapixel setup. Main 48 megapixel f1.6, huge 1.28-inch sensor, sensor shift OIS. Ultra-wide 48 megapixels f2.2, 120 degrees FOV. Telephoto, new 48 megapixel 4x optical zoom, 100 millimeters, with 3D sensor shift OIS. Massive jump from last year's 12 megapixel 5x. Plus TOF LiDAR scanner. Selfie, upgraded to 18 megapixel center stage camera with multi-aspect sensor, almost squarish. PDAF OIS. Video is insane. 4K at 120 FPS Dolby Vision HDR on rear, ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2, spatial video and audio. Front up to 4K at 60 FPS. Photos are reliably great, not always class-leading, but video remains unbeatable. The new 4X Tele and better selfie are the stars. If you're a content creator or zoom shooter, this is huge. Battery is 4832 milliamp hours, slight bump, but real-world gains from efficiency. Great battery life, easily all-day heavy use. Charging, finally faster. 25-watt wired hits 50% in about 20 minutes, PD 3.2 plus AVS. MagSafe or QI2 wireless, 15 watts, gets 50% in 30 minutes. Reverse wired at 4.5 watts. New optional 40-watt dynamic power adapter, 60 watts max, for $39, supports the new protocol. Charging is no longer Apple's weak spot. Ships with iOS 26, Liquid Glass UI looks slick and modern. Apple says the Pro Max is the perfect home for it. All the usual Apple perks: long support, privacy, ecosystem magic. Final verdict? We call it a complicated phone. Major changes in build, cameras, and battery, but iterative in some ways. Overall, it's positioned as the new best iPhone ever, shaking up the lineup. If you want the ultimate iPhone experience in 2025-2026, this is it. So, is the iPhone 17 Pro Max your next upgrade? Let me know in the comments. Aluminum fan or titanium loyalist? Smash that like if this helped, subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.